Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. We had a fantastic day today. Not only did trading go our way, but we also had our first ever winner over at the Investors Jumpstart program. Gave away $1,000 this morning. Going to be giving away another $1,000 in the morning. So if you're not already a part of the Investors Jumpstart program, get over there, get signed up. I don't know what you're waiting on. Now, let's get into the market. We had the S&P close down 0.22%. We had the Dow down 0.12%, and the NASDAQ down 0.45%. So just a little bit down on the day, not very much, just enough to be in the red. We was able to come out with some trades, and I picked up a new position today, and we're going to talk about all that. Let's go ahead and start with Silvergate. Now, I told you I picked up some options on Silvergate yesterday. At one point in time, we were up over 100%, but in all honesty, I was really expecting Silvergate to take off more, get closer to that $3 level. So I went ahead, held out, and I ended up taking profit this morning when we bounced off that 230 and could not seem to get above it. I did cash out. We bought those for $25 a contract, sold them at $40 a contract. Made 60%, not near as good as we were up yesterday. I should have just taken profit then. But, I still believe we ended up closing the day 208 on the day. It's still technically bullish, so if I'd have held on, tomorrow might have been my day. But I went ahead, cashed out 60% profit. I'm not complaining about that one bit. And then we had our SQQQ calls that we bought yesterday. Picked those up for $1.35, which was $135 a contract. Sold them for $2.10. Made 50.5% ROI on that trade. So super happy about that. All in all, a great day there. And then I turned around and picked up a stock that I have not bought in a while. I've got some friends invested in it. You've heard me talk about it before. And that is Mullen Automotive. Ticker symbol MULN. I picked up some Mullen today. It's been beaten way down. We dropped down just below 9 cents today, bounced off the 888, and come back up. I picked up a bunch at 9 cents. I was like, if that was the floor, if that little bounce back up, if that 888 was the floor, which I believe it could be, at least for the time being, then I believe that we have a very easy bounce back to possibly 12 cents. And in all honesty, no real resistance up to about 16 cents. I was like, this is just too good of a trade. I'm going to pick it up. If it does drop down, if it drops back below 9, I'm out. I'll cut my losses there. But at this point in time, I could see it moving forward, gaining a few cents, which for the amount of shares that I bought, every penny is going to make me a pretty significant sum. So I'm really happy with picking up that position today. Like I said, I know a lot of people out there like trading Mullen. A lot of people out there bag holding Mullen. This could be your chance to be able to get in low and be able to make a quick profit on it in the next few days. We'll see how that plays out. So that's kind of the positions I took. We'll see how the day plays out. I was really surprised, even with the markets being in the red, coming down being in the red, the VIX was quite a bit in the red, 3% down on the day. We had the UVXY 3.34% down on the day. Really expecting to see a pop out of that. We've got the VIX now down under that $20 mark. Could this be the point where we see those markets start to retrace, see that fear index climb up just a little bit, pop that VIX up, pop the UVXY back up, and really start setting that SQQQ moving forward? I do believe that's very possible. We're just right in there. We can't quite get a direction one way or the other. We've got the SPY ended up closing right there at 395.60. We're not up there at the 400, but then again, we have not broke below that $94 resistance that we have, or support that we have, should I say. We break under that 394, then I would definitely start to expect to see the VIX and the UVXY start to climb, a little bit more fear come into the market, and that's when we're going to be loading up on some SQQQ calls. See if I can not get tongue tied here, and ride those up, because we easily got a nice move where we could move back up and test even, let's see here, say the 35 level. That's a couple of dollar move up. That's a pretty nice little move for us. So I'm going to be watching that very closely. That's all I got for you. Join me in the morning. We're going to give away another $1,000. I hope it's you. So make sure, if you want your shot at the $1,000, get signed up to the Investors Jumpstart program. We're going to be building a great community over there where we talk about how to make more money. Not only am I giving you fish, I'm going to be teaching you how to fish. So come on over there, get your chance to win that $1,000. And until next time, remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.